All right, so this is the worked example for number 7 on notes 2.2b. So the problem is asking us to find df. So df is from here to here. That's going to be this one here. df, and then let's write that down. So df equals 5x minus 14. So we're going to have to come back to that later. Because before we can do that, first we got to solve for x. And this is kind of tricky to solve for x here. Let's see what we can see. I know that if I look at this piece here, df to cd, if I add this piece plus this piece, I'll get the whole thing. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to say CD plus DF equals CF. And now I can also see that this piece here, CE plus EF, also equals CF. So I'm going to write that down. CE plus EF equals. So if I've got two things that equal CF, then that also means they equal each other. So I'm going to write that down. I have CE plus EF equals CD plus DF. And now I can start plug in what we know. So CE, that's this one, that plus EF is x plus 5. And that equals CD is x minus 3, and DF is 5x minus 14. So now we've got to combine like terms and solve. So I've got 13 plus 5, that's x plus 18 equals, I've got x plus 5x, that's 6x, and negative 3 plus negative 14 equals negative 17. Then I'm gonna subtract 18 from both sides. That gives me x equals 6x plus 35. Then I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. And I got plus negative 35 equals negative 5x equals negative 35. Divide both sides by negative 5. And we get x equals 7. So now that I know what x is, now that we can bring that up here, and I'm going to plug that in. So we just said x equals 7. So now we can say df equals 5 times 7 minus 14. So df equals 35 minus 14. So df equals 21.